Hi everybody, I'm Gigi of GIGI Eat Celebrities, and today I'm making a very interesting recipe. It's not one of my own, it's actually one of my blogging friend's recipes. She made it for me specifically because it's GIGI approved, which means that it's dairy-free, wheat-free, gluten-free, sugar-free, soy-free, nut-free, and fruit-free. Yeah, so you're probably wondering what the f is in this recipe. Kelly Lynn of Kelly Lynn Sweets and Treats. Yep, she made me a donut recipe. And let's just say donuts are on the top of my list for foods that I want to eat if I were on death row. But I'll never be on death row because I'm a good girl, guys. I'm a good girl. And you know what else is gonna be really good? This recipe. I just know it is because Kelly Lynn always makes the tastiest looking things on her blog, so you have to go check it out. And she actually made me something in the past that was super delicious. I have a link for that in the description below. I have high hopes for this baby. So let me go grab my donut pan and let's get this shit going. I gotta try some of this sauce. Oh fuck, that was really good. So Kelly Lynn made me this recipe maybe in June of this past year, but it smells like Christmas, and I am so excited because Christmas is coming up, first of all, and secondly, it just smells so good, it looks so good, I just want to devour it right now, but I have to have my friend Kara come on here and share this with me because I will legit eat this entire recipe by myself. I'm so glad I have someone here to help me, and by the way, everyone, she's pregnant too, so, I mean, just kind of perfect. Kara, come over here. Where are you? So what Kara and I did actually is we put the frosting on top of these donuts, and then in Kelly's recipe, she also had a little cinnamon crumb topping for this, but instead, I used Prymal creamers, the birthday cake flavor. When's your birthday, by the way?
Actually, next week.
Shut up! Oh my God, happy birthday! This is so perfect! Happy birthday, cheers!
Thanks.
Oh my God, so light and fluffy. This is so fluffy. Another thing that I have to point out is that we used Keto Queen Kreations cake mixes, and holy crap does this make a difference. Oh my God, I have never had something so light and fluffy before when it comes to a coconut flour recipe.
This is insanely delicious.
I'm in absolute heaven. We have 3 other donuts over there and we're gonna be fighting for them. I know it. I know it. And this sauce, I could eat this just with a fork. Oh my God. I'm sorry, did you want some of that?
Yes.
Dip your donut in it. That's what it's made for. Holy crap.
Oh my God.
I'm seriously super happy right now.
Falling apart.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
This tastes better than a normal donut.
This is keto approved and paleo approved. And you heard it here. Kara said it was better than an actual donut.
Baby approved.
Baby is so happy right now, it's not even funny. I told you guys, Kelly Lynn does not disappoint, which is why you have to go check out her blog. She makes the most amazing things ever. And even if you don't make the recipe, it's really just eye porn. Seriously, instead of going to like youporn.com, go to kellylynnSweetsandTreats.com because that's the kind of porn you really want to be looking at.
I wish you could smell how good.
The nutmeg really made a huge difference, and that's why I feel like it smells like Christmas in here.
So good.
Keto Queen Kreations, Prymal creamer, Kelly Lynn. Holy bullshit. All right, well, that being said, I'm gonna go have a foodgasm, so is Kara. But I hope I see you guys all next week here on GIGI Eat Celebrities, and do leave me a comment below telling me what your favorite type of donut is. What is your favorite type of donut? This one?
I'm kind of obsessed with this.
No, I am too.
Maybe like a maple glaze.
Ooh, glaze. You said my favorite word, which is why Kelly actually came up with this little recipe right here because she wanted to make me a glaze situation. So Thank you, Kelly. Anyways, bye. Gotta chow down. Oh my God. I can't. So good.